Hello YouTube friends, and welcome to RK Treasure Center. My name is Roy. If you're new to the channel, I'm a reseller. I go to garage sales, estate sales, thrift stores, flea markets, sometimes retail arbitrage. Just about anywhere I can find items to flip for profit. Today's video is going to be a combination of a couple different things, probably a couple different days. But I wanted to talk about two things. The first thing is one item that I sold that's in this box. It's actually a Lego set. I picked it up at a thrift store. I paid $1.99 for it, and I'm pretty sure it was going to be an incomplete set when I got it. It's supposed to be a backhoe loader, and when I you know, for $1.99 and a thrift store, the box was taped up. I wasn't sure if it was going to be complete, so I went ahead and spent the time to count all the pieces. There's supposed to be 609. There were 597. So I went ahead and listed it as an incomplete set. It sold within probably 2 hours. I talked to the guy that bought it. We did a little email exchange, and I went ahead and sold it to him for $15, plus he paid the shipping. So Lego items, even though they're incomplete, Legos will sell, especially if you can get them for inexpensive, or you know what they are. Like this was supposed to be a kit, it's just missing some pieces. It's definitely going to sell. But you can sell bags of Lego blocks and everything. If you just get them for cheap, Lego sells really good. So the next thing I want to talk about is a couple weeks ago I had a 500 subscriber giveaway. It was really good. I was so happy to get to 500. I couldn't believe it. And I want to thank everybody out there that subscribe and all the comments. I love all the comments. I love reading them. I try to answer every one of them. It gets difficult, but I do. I try to answer every comment out there. To me, it's very important that if you're going to reach out to me, I want to reach out to you. I gave away several items, but I reached out to Matt at Part-Time Pickers, and he gave me a hat that he signed that I could add to the giveaway, because a lot of people view Matt at Part-Time Pickers, and if you don't, check him out. He does an awesome job. He's based out of California, and he's an awesome reseller. Only does it part-time, and he does better than most full-time people, in my opinion. Recently, I reached out to Kevin over at Commonwealth Picker, and I asked him if he would do something for me, because I'm hoping that maybe in the next month or two I'll get to 1,000 subscribers, and I asked him to send me a little something here, and I'm going to add it to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, along with a bunch of other items too. I usually do a first, second, and third place winner, so keep an eye out for the videos, and when I get to 1,000 subscribers, this will be one of the items that's in there. And if you can kind of see what it is. You can tell by the top. If any of you watch Kevin at Commonwealth Picker, you probably already know what it is, but I'll take it out of the package and I'll show you. And here it is, the Enaman. A lot of people probably don't know about the Fleet Enaman, and this is something that Kevin picked up. He picked up a bunch of them when he first started doing videos. They kind of became, I guess I want to call it the Commonwealth mascot. I don't know, he probably wouldn't call it that. But the Fleet Enaman is something that's a trademark that he's picked up, and he's doing really good at it. He's selling them, and he bought a whole bunch more and he's selling them. So they've kind of become a novelty. And I asked him to do something, and that is on the back, he signed it, Commonwealth Picker, Kevin Brown. And so I'm going to add that to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which, like I said, that could be in a couple weeks, or I suspect it'll probably be in about a month or two. But keep an eye on the videos, because you never know what's going to happen. YouTube is a strange world. But this is going to be one of the items that's going to go out with the grand prize, along with other items. And it's going to be a big one. 1,000 subscribers to me is very important, so it's going to be a big one, and I'm going to have some great items. When I get close to 1,000 subscribers, I'll start announcing the kind of items I'm going to give away, and there's going to be some really good stuff. So anyway, let me add some more to this video. I'll show you what some other things that sold. So the first item I sold was this box of billiard chalks. I'll show them to you. These are copper colored. That's them right there. And they sold for $6.75. They're going out free shipping. Okay, the next item going out right here is a golf club cover. It's for number 3 wood. and it wasn't anything really special. It came with some other stuff that I had picked up. Maybe paid 25 cents for it, if that much. But it's not an expensive one, and I sold it for $2.95, and the buyer paid the shipping. Definitely not an item I'd probably pick up and sell again. So this is the next time I'm going out. It's a chronological study Bible. It's pretty much brand new. The pages are still creased and looks really good and crisp. I picked it up and sold it for $34.95, and the buyer paid the shipping. All right, so this sold, and it's a really big beer stein. It's made by the Gertz company. It's called the Two Lovers Stein, and you can see why it's very beautiful and very ornate. I love it. I think that's an awesome looking piece there. And it sold for $70, and the buyer paid the shipping. Let me explain a little about shipping and prices. The Lego set I just showed you was in this box here. It's a 12 by 6 by 6, and I loaded up and weighed it, and it weighed at 2 pounds 6 ounces. So I put that into the eBay packing, and the price came out to $15.27. So I charged the buyer 2 pounds shipping. I knew that it was going to go out. I talked about in a previous video, I'm not going to talk about in this one, but I explained the differences between regional A and regional B boxes. So I repacked it into a regional A box. Now I also did a comparison with pirate ship. A lot of people talk about pirate shipping. I didn't do pirate shipping for a long time, but I went and switched to pirate shipping for some items. And it does save money, but let me put in pirate ship, and then I'll show you the difference between the original price, regional A box, and pirate ship. All right, so I covered up the buyer's information so you can't see it. Now originally when I did it, it was 2 pounds 6 ounces. It's a 12 by 6 by 6 box. Priority mail was $15.27. Let me bring it up. All right, and I'll try to keep this so there's no information there. Okay, with pirate ship, cubic shipping rate, $12.29. So right there, that's a savings of over $3. I repacked it in this regional A box, and we'll go to from custom size to carrier packages. All right, compare all services, and we go to regional A, and you can see a regional A price is $11.74. So that saved me another 50 cents. So going from this box at 2 pounds 6 ounces, I put it into a regional A box, which brings it down to 2 pounds 4 ounces. You can see there's not much difference in the size of the box, but I did manage to fit it in there. It fit just fine, fits right to the dimensions, and by saving that little bit and putting in a regional A box, the price went down to $11.74. So I do recommend pirate shipping, but try to keep all your options when mailing out packages, so that way you can save the most money. I charged the buyer a 2 pound rate. I didn't charge him anymore, and like I said, we had made a little deal, so that way he paid for the Legos was $15 plus the shipping, and it's about the same. So try to get everything you can as close as possible, so that way you're saving the max amount of money. When I sell things, I try to sell things and show you some of the things that are that are more garage sale and flea market, thrift store items, things that you can find in your area, not just something that's unique because it belongs to that kind of state or that kind of area that they're in. But I try to find items that you can find no matter where you're at. So I hope I'm putting out some good content. If you like to see any kind of other video, or if you like the videos I got, leave a comment down below. Tell me how I'm doing. Tell me what you'd like to see. If you've got questions, I'll try to answer them. And I'll see you next time. So all you resellers out there, remember, find it, sell it, profit. Y'all take care, everyone. Have a great day.